Today we're going to take our first request for a recipe. Today we're going to be doing Spaghetti Bolognese. This is a great recipe that's loved by young and old, and so let's get cooking. Spaghetti Bolognese is an easy dish to make, and my sister used to make a big lot of it up so that all you had to do then is cook the pasta. So the first step you do is to get a large pan, put some olive oil in it over a medium heat. Cut a medium onion up and 3 cloves of garlic. Stir for 5 minutes until softened. Add the mince, cook and break up with a wooden spoon for about 6 to 8 minutes until browned. Once the meat's browned, add tomato paste and full tomatoes, oregano, and a half a cup of cold water and bring to the boil. Reduce the heat to low and simmer uncovered for 20 to 30 minutes until thick, and season with salt and pepper. That's all it takes to make some wonderful spaghetti bolognese. The next step in this recipe is to make the pasta. Grab a large saucepan, add water and bring to the boil. Put salt and then also a little bit of oil. Now what the oil does is actually stops the pasta from sticking together and also to the bottom of the pan. Wait until it's fully cooked, drain, add the bolognese sauce on top with some Parmesan cheese. Just check and make sure you've got enough salt in it. If you need a little bit more salt, throw it in. So if you've enjoyed this recipe, so why not become a subscriber to get these wonderful recipes as soon as I post them. And of course a shout out to Luke Bailey. He's the chap who gave me the idea for this video, so thanks very much, Luke. And if any of you guys out there have any further suggestions, I'd love to hear from you. So you've been listening to Philip's Cooking Recipes. Check out the recipe up in the corner. Bye for now.